Good evening, guys. Hello, parents, moms, dads, kiddies, if anyone is there and watching our all the Instagram series. We welcome you at Mommy's World for You and Me Instagram live series with experts and so many professionals who are sharing their experience, the journeys, stories, insights, the benefits, clearing the myths what we have in our life, and there are lot many things what they are answering to all of us. So now in this pandemic we all are aware about this COVID-19, and yes, there are too many cases. We are super fed up of hearing so many deaths, so many cases in our family, with our friends, colleagues. There are so many people who are facing, this very badly. And the only solution is to keep your immunity high and keep your consultations proper with the experts who can help you in this to come out in this disease. So we decided, why not today? Let's welcome one of the experts who is also helping the patients from who are actually detected this COVID-19, and who are actually not finding the money to spend even for small little cases. बहुत सारे diseases हमारे हैं. So there is one option. If not allopathy, then what? So we always have doubt to go for homeopathy. वाई? बिकॉज होम्योपैथी में हमारे बहुत सारे मिथ होते हैं कि अगर वो हमें सूट करेगी कि नहीं करेगी, या फिर हमारे जो वो मिथ्स हैं कि होम्योपैथी टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू क्योर यू. हाउ ट्रू इज दैट? और ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है कि हम बच्चे को वो मेडिसिन दे सकते हैं कि नहीं दे सकते हैं, जो अडल्ट की मेडिसिन होती है. इनफैक्ट कोल्ड कफ से रिलेटेड जितनी मेडिसिन हमारे पास होम्योपैथी में अवेलेबल है, उन सब के लिए भी शायद हम लोग अवेयर नहीं है. सो ऐसे बहुत सारी हमारे पास डाउट्स हैं रिलेटेड टू होम्योपैथी, बिकॉज हम लोग इस हैबिट में है कि वेन एवर वी आर सिक, so we rush to our doctor, our PAD, and to find the solutions quickly, and that comes only through allopathy. That's what we think. But there are lots of R&Ds have been done, research, and plenty of things have been done. The studies have declared that homeopathy is the best thing. So today we thought we should welcome Dr. Anshita Balwani Rathore from Pune, and she have her clinic with the name of Dr. Rathore's Homeopathy and Polyclinic. She is not only BHMS, MD, DCC, CCN, CYT. These are too many degrees. Definitely we have not heard about, or probably she is the right person to guide us for everything else. Let's have her today for our chat and find out what are the myth what we have in our mind related to homeopathy, and how difficult or how easy it is to have the solutions. Hello, Dr. Anshita.
Hi. Hello,
How are you?
mommies. I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm good. I can see you still in your clinic itself. And
Yes. फिलहाल तो
I hope that
yes. Right now I'm at
ready for the
clinic.
life.
Yes. I just thought I'll just wind up quickly today so that I can join this session. I'm so happy to be here, Chalu. Thank you for the
We are very
opportunity.
happy because it's been actually more than 2-3 years, Anshita, we are connected, and it's the ever first time we are talking. And what could be the best platform to have you in Instagram live series,
Amazing.
where all the platforms members can see you. So quickly, first of
Yes,
all, we
yes.
want to know about your journey, how you decided to become a doctor, a brief about it, because it was your passion
Okay.
or it was your interest.
Yes, certainly. Actually, my journey started when there was a small seed which was sown by my mother. She used to tell
Hmm.
me that when you grow up, you become a doctor. So this seed was there in me, and my mother is also a homeopath. She's a doctor. Although she, surprisingly, she finished her studies a little later in life. She did it when I was a very young child. I was in school. That time she did her medical studies, and she turned out to be a good homeopath. And she's a principal of one of the colleges, and HOD in one of the departments, and then she's a psychiatrist also. So that is how it started. The seed was there from the seed was there from the mother basically. Okay,
So
that is
you
one thing. And
properly
then
belong to Pune itself? I'm sorry, you proper
no,
belong to
I'm from
Pune?
Indore.
Okay.
No, Shalu, I am from Indore basically. I am a full-on Indori. And for my MD, for my PG basically, I came to Pune. And then we settled here and we decided to, because MD is a 3 year long process.
Okay.
The homeopathic
Uh-huh.
MD is 3 year long process. So we
Hmm.
thought we'll just settle here and then clinic setup kiya and then kids and everything. So, and we like Pune.
So
So,
I must mention one appreciation that ma'am, I would like to mention to mom is that she is a very good human as well as a blogger. She writes whenever she finds time, apart from her this duty of clinic and the kids, definitely. And the writing, how do you get
yes,
time for
Shalu.
writing, Anshita?
Um, See, Shalu, what happened is I realized during my consultations that we have to repeat the same things every time. For example, आपको diet का बताना है. I have to tell you about a diet for hyperacidity. Now I have to
Right.
repeat the same thing so many times, and sometimes
Yeah.
patients are not going to remember it for after some time.
Right.
So I thought, why not just put it in a blog so that I can
Mm.
share the link of blogs with my patients. So this is how it started. This is how it began. And then same blog the patients can share with their family. For example, if you are my patient and even
Mm.
your father or mother is having the same similar issue or same issue, like maybe some acidity or something, you can share that diet with them, right? So it's much easier for me and them. And
Mm.
एक awareness बढ़ती है, एक ये भी अच्छा है कि at least you create awareness about these things. Some people don't know what to eat when you have X disease or Y
Yes.
disease, so it
Mm.
really helps. That is
Yeah, it
helpful.
does that, definitely. Okay, Anshita, quickly let's jump to the current situation, and everybody's waiting for this COVID-19, and everybody suffered a lot from this. So, want to
Certainly.
understand few things about it. We have already received few queries on my DM. I want to know the medicines which are offered in homeopathy can be given to kids, the
Yes.
same as giving adults, the dosage, and what is the process of it?
Yes, I'll tell you. Yes, I'll tell you about that. First of all, talking about COVID. So, COVID की जो medicines हैं, honestly, we don't have any special medicines for COVID. Whatever medicines we have used in the past for various influenzas, various infections, various pneumonias, we have used the same, almost same medicines for COVID as well. And it's
Okay.
been like almost we are treating these things knowingly we are treating since March, but
Hmm.
unknowingly we were treating COVID cases since January. That time we did not know that we are treating COVID, but there were a lot of COVID cases since January. And these were the cases of chronic cough and pneumonia, and we did not know that it is COVID. It's just that the name was not there. And even the fear was not there, the mask was not there, but
Yeah.
we were treating it, and we had good results with the same medicine that has been used for ages. There are hardly any one or two medicines are added recently. And then coming about the prophylactic medicines, like everyone
Hmm.
must be wondering, homeoprophylaxis and immunity boosters. So the
Hmm.
immunity boosters recommended by Ayush Ministry has been quite effective.
Yeah.
And myself, I have used some different medicines. Actually, they are my own formulas, and I have used those. And so
Hmm.
far, it has been somewhat 98 to 99% effective in
Hmm.
my existing patients. And we must have given those medicines to about some 1,200 families.
Okay.
Mostly people, when come to us, they take for the whole family. So I would say 1,200 or even more families. I'm not too sure about the number, although because we have given free also as a
Hmm.
some charity. So far everyone has been good, and even then there were some cases who still got COVID, but fortunately they got very mild symptoms and they recovered in 1 or 2 days or 3 days maybe. And even
Hmm.
now we are seeing some those hidden COVID cases which are untested,
Hmm.
but we know deep within us that they might be COVID. We are
Hmm.
treating them. Mostly we take those cases on video calls so that the
Hmm.
safety concern is also addressed, because there are other
Hmm.
patients also visiting the clinic. So what we do is we take video consultations and send medicines. And this is how we are dealing with it, and it has been really successful. For the severe cases, not me, but some of my friends are attached to hospitals. So there they are using homeopathy for the admitted patients as well, with of course with the permission of the hospital authorities in a proper process, pura process followed as and they are getting good responses from there also.
That is, Anshita, with the
So
allopathy, you're offering the homeopathy in the hospitals or
yes,
just the
yes,
homeopathy?
yes. We are
It's
doing
with the
both actually. For yes, for the patient who is admitted in hospital, they need a certain type of care. For example, they need oxygen. Sometimes
Hmm.
they need some other medicines also. Sometimes they are already diabetic, they are taking diabetic medicines. So we give
Hmm.
parallelly both. Even in
Hmm.
clinics, whenever a patient is coming for n number of problems, we have to give parallel treatments, allopathy, homeopathy, both together. So this works quite well actually.
And what is the ratio of COVID patients and kids? Like, I have heard that kids generally do not get this corona. So, is it
Yes.
true or what?
Fortunately, the ratio of kids getting COVID is very, very less. They are getting COVID only if the parents are affected and they are in very close contact.
Yeah.
Luckily, they are getting very mild symptoms. Sometimes you don't even notice any symptoms. Like they have a mild fever for a day and then it is fine. So,
But kids
fortunately,
below
this
five
has been.
years, kids below 5 years can get affected if the parent is affected. Is it?
Yes, certainly. Anyone can get affected. If you are in a close contact with a COVID person, then you
Hmm.
may get affected because it is highly transmissible. That means even these things like a pen, you are handling a pen and you are passing it out to someone, even this can spread because you may have been touching your face and
Hmm.
touching the pen. So this is how it spreads. We call it fomites. Fomites are small objects that are able to transmit the infection from one person to the other. That's why we say that you use sanitizer and everything.
Right. And I have seen few pictures in few of the groups that mom who is doing this breastfeeding and she has this COVID and feeding a child. How safe is that? Feeding a child, though she's taking
Yeah,
precautions, putting mask and
that's an amazing question. I'm glad you raised this question. This is one of my favorite topics. So the breast milk contains a lot of protective, what I should call factors and antibodies. Even if you are not infected with COVID, your body's breast milk contains a number of antibodies and they are passed on to the baby. So, breast milk is highly protective. And if you have an infant, you are still allowed to feed. Most of the doctors will tell you that you continue feeding your child. Just if
Hmm.
you're coughing a lot, then you cover your face and all, but you continue feeding because mostly when the mother is affected, child is already exposed. By the time you do the test and find out, you're already exposed. So what is the point of separating them anyway?
Oh God, that's scary. But yeah, good to
It's
know
not
about.
scary. They are getting protected. I will tell you one instance if we have the time. I will tell you one instance. And when my younger one, he was breastfeeding.
Hmm.
So that time I was reading about it. And there is this very amazing group on Facebook. The name is Breastfeeding Support for Indian Moms. It is a very, very amazing group. And they have
Hmm.
been helping so many mothers about this
Yes,
issue of
yes,
breastfeeding because it's a big issue. I know, honestly, it is a big
yes,
issue. Although it's so simple, yet it's a big issue. So
yeah.
I was struggling to some extent because I was not able to feed my elder son that well. There were
Hmm.
problems. So this time I was prepared. See, I'm going to do this for at least 2 years. So I
Hmm.
was preparing myself, and that in that phase, my elder one used to fall sick quite frequently, and my younger one would never catch any of the virals from him. So I was surprised that why he is not catching. They are playing together, they are
Hmm.
sleeping close to each other, yet they are not catching it. That means the younger one was pretty immune. So then
Hmm.
what I did was I did a small experiment and I expressed some small amount of the milk. And when my elder one was sick, I just gave a few spoons to him. थोड़ा थोड़ा सा मैंने उसको दिया. And I realized we are giving homeopathy also. Obviously, I'm a homeopath, I would give that. But I realized that he recovered within a day. And earlier used to get these infections for at least 3 days. But with
Hmm.
the breast milk and homeopathy together, he
Hmm.
recovered within 1 day. And I was like amazed. And I tried this at least two or
Fabulous.
three times. And I was
Yeah,
like, wow, this is
that's
amazing.
fabulous.
And
Yeah.
So I do recommend that to every mother that don't stop feeding your child unless you have been contraindicated by some factor. For example, you are taking a strong medication that may
Hmm.
pass on to the baby, then you have to stop. Otherwise, you don't stop.
Right. All right. So moving on to the query we have, someone is asking how regularly do we need to take the homeopathic pills that we are getting from the government? Yes, that's one thing I wanted to know.
That's a
Is
very
it
important question.
mandatory,
So,
Anshita? Is it mandatory to take these medicines for the immunity boosting? Because honestly, I
it
have
is
received the
not.
medicine. I have not followed it.
Yeah. I would say it is not mandatory, but it is advisable because it has been useful. Rather, I would share my own prescription also. One of the medicines is Syncona officinalis. It is made from quinine again. So it is very useful in fevers, and I have used this medicine Syncona very successfully with my existing patients as an immunity booster. We have distributed in a lot of people, including senior citizens in my society nearby, and we have had good results. So this medicine, and in fact, I can suggest that we can take both also. The arsenic album suggested by Ayush Ministry and the
Hmm.
Syncona, which I'm suggesting we can take both also and at a gap of 1 day. And two doses are sufficient for 1 month. So once a month we can repeat that, and it is very very effective. Trust me. And इसके बाद भी अगर किस्मत खराब है और by chance आपको कुछ हो जाता है, you immediately get in touch with your nearby homeopathic doctor and you consult,
Hmm.
online consult करो आप, and they will prescribe medicines and it will get better in 2 days. It's just that don't delay treatment. You don't wait for 5 days and for the azithromycin to act and another 2 3 days for the testing to come. You don't waste 8 days. You start the immediate treatment and then you will be fine.
But what do you suggest, Anshita, since we're talking on this corona thing right now, if
Hmm.
somebody feel like there is some, I guess, throat pain, some symptoms they get, right? A fever is
Yes.
not going down and some sort of this, and instant after they should go for the test first, or they should immediately contact to the homeopath
No,
or the
no, no, no.
allopath.
First thing you see, मेरे जो patients हैं, honestly आपको बताऊं, they trust me so much that they don't want to take allopathy at all. But
Hmm.
still, if you have such doubts, they can parallelly take both also. If you don't know any homeopath, you don't have a family doctor, you're not connected, then you connect with one. Meanwhile, you can even take your allopathy also. As such,
Right.
honestly speaking, COVID के लिए, there is no specific allopathic treatment. They are just giving azithromycin, and it is antibacterial. It is not even
Yeah.
antiviral. So what is the point of it, right? What is the point of anything? So might
Right.
as well you contact a good homeopath
Hmm.
living near to you. You can just consult online, and if they allow, नहीं तो आप अगर कुछ ऐसे severe symptoms नहीं है, if there is a doubtful this thing, you can even visit. But if you are in doubt that कि आप औरों को भी infect कर रहे हो, when you're not comfortable coming out of the house, then you consult online. Start your medicines right away. Don't wait for the testing. अच्छा टेस्ट आया या नहीं आया, जो भी रिजल्ट आया है, दवाई तो हमारी वही है ना. Same
Right.
medicine we are using.
Yeah, it's
Honestly,
better to be
abhi,
done as early
I
as
have
possible.
नहीं symptomatic treatment we are always giving. मतलब
Right.
1800 से homeopathy है. Symptomatic treatment we have given and it has given amazing results.
Right.
So best to start early.
Rita is asking, can people with diabetes and BP are on allopathy? Can they take homeo for immunity booster?
Yes, of course they can take because it's a very tiny dose. I'll show you. See, ये आप देख रहे हो ना? This is
Hmm.
sufficient for at least 12 to 15 people. इतना dose is sufficient. So it's a very tiny dose and it is not going to raise your blood sugar at all.
Right.
Even if you take it for a week, this small bottle is
Hmm.
sufficient for 1 week dose for one person. If I take it for a week, it is sufficient. And it is equivalent to 1 teaspoon of sugar, about 1 teaspoon. So one
Okay.
teaspoon in 1 week cannot raise blood sugar at all.
Right. Anshita, how long it takes? Is it varies person to person, or how long it takes to cure this corona? The maximum
If
or
we
the
talk
minimum
about
time?
maximum time with homeopathy, I would say maximum is 2 weeks, not more than that.
Acha.
Minimum time that I have seen in whatever cases I have seen so far is about maximum 5 days max. And
Okay.
the fever goes away in 1 or 2 days, 2.5 days probably sometimes. And
Okay.
then a slightly irritation or mild coughing and weakness may remain for another couple of days. So usually in 5 6 days or within a span of 1 week, you feel like your normal self. Although the fear might be there sometimes because
Yeah.
even thinking of it brings on fear. But then
Right.
usually 2 days, and I've seen some people get better in 2 days, maximum 2 days. This is also,
Um,
so I think again it's very subjective. It's
yeah.
very
Person to
subjective.
person. Yeah. So, someone is asking any side effects for kids.
Absolutely not. If you are taking the proper medicine from a proper homeopathic doctor with the proper case taking, of course, then there is
Hmm.
no side effects at all. Rather, it is safe. It is safe for kids. It is safe for infants also. My youngest patient was 2 days old. He was
Oh,
just second day tha C-section या कुछ हुआ था. He was just out of the hospital and he was having some cold or something. The mother immediately came to my place first कि पहले आप दवाई दे दो फिर मैं घर लेके जाती हूँ उसको because I cannot come back again. So, it's like 2 days old babies we have treated. And of course, we treat our own children. So, there is no safety concern as such, but it
that's
should be a proper prescription.
commendable because a 2-day-old child and mother is openly asking to you for medicine is definitely
Yes, it
have
is
blind trust in you, Anshita. That's wonderful and noble
completely.
feeling.
Yes, completely. Yes, completely. And there are some families who would be like completely trusting us. बिल्कुल कुछ भी हो. Even there are sometimes there was one patient who came to me for a burn. And I was like, अरे यार burn है, you will need some care from physician and something. And that was my first case. I was when I was treating a burn. I was
Hmm.
little uncomfortable doing it, but then I saw her trust in me, and I was like, नहीं ठीक है अभी देंगे. So I gave her some ointments which I made myself, and some dressing वगैरह she used to do herself, of course. But we kind of managed it. So they will trust so much that they don't want to go elsewhere, honestly.
You have earned this trust, Anshita, because the way you answer your queries, I have seen you in Mommy's World as well. The detailed answer through your blogs and the even in the comments, what you write, you don't stop yourself in writing. I have seen this. Your answers are lengthy, also in detailed answers, so that everybody can read and understand what you're trying to convey in the
Yes,
message.
definitely. I think as a doctor, it is your duty to educate the people. It
Yeah.
is our duty because who else will do that if we cannot do that?
Right. And there is one more query. She's asking, can this immune booster can be given to below 3 years old?
Yes, certainly. We have given
Yeah,
it to
in case
infants
I can
also.
just answer, you have given to 2 days old also.
Yes,
Homeopathic.
yes, we can give. Only thing is ki I'll tell you how to give actually. Let me just tell in detail about that. So what we do is if the child is really small and he is only on breast milk, so what we do
Hmm.
is we ask the mother to express the breast milk in a small container or katori
Yeah.
vati mein nikal ke. You put the
Hmm.
pills in that and you let them stand for few minutes. The pills are made mainly of sugar and the medicine is there. It will melt and you can just give that milk to the baby. It's very simple. And once the child is, if the infant is about 2 or 3 months old, you can put
Hmm.
the pill on their tongue because it melts immediately. It will not get
Right.
choked in the throat. It will not cause choking at all. The pills are really small, so it melts down, and kids like it also.
Anshita, since you have so much of experience and with this homeopathy, I want to understand there are a lot of videos, text messages going on home remedies for this corona, and कि आप काढ़ा ले लीजिए, आप ये पत्ती ले लीजिए, नीम पत्ती and whatever, everything is going. Do you suggest while having this homeopathy or the treatment from hospital, these काढ़ाs and are these also because I read somewhere that अगर आप ज्यादा भी ले लेती हो तो वो भी trouble है.
Yes, you're absolutely right, Shalu, on this. Because if you take too much of any kada and it is made up of all the spices from our kitchen, so what
Yeah.
happens is it causes a burn-like feeling and burn-like a condition in your throat. Because what
Hmm.
I've seen lately is people are taking it in a really hot form. Garam garam पीना है, garam garam
Yeah,
पीना है,
yeah,
garam पानी पीना है. So I
yeah.
have had few cases who unfortunately, they got their throat burned from inside and they develop hyperacidity because of the kada.
Oh God.
Unfortunately, this is happening because some people just take it to the extreme. So they don't realize that you have to have it warm, not hot, and you don't
Hmm.
have it many times a day. You have it maybe couple of times a day. Like morning में चाय की जगह काढ़ा ले लिया, and
Hmm.
शाम को चाय की जगह थोड़ा सा काढ़ा ले लिया. So I don't mind giving you a recipe if everyone is up to it. So
We would love
we
to
can
have it
use
definitely.
So I
Why
will give
not?
you a small recipe, small recipe of a light herbal tea. Okay,
Okay.
and it's very effective. So we can just have a cup of hot water, put it in
Hmm.
the container. You add your this thing adrak, it's a small piece of adrak, and
Okay.
one leaf of tulsi, and you
Hmm.
can add a little bit of this long elaichi and choti elaichi, and
Hmm.
then black pepper.
Okay.
And personally, I add a little bit of sugar because I don't like it kadwa. So I put little bit of sugar, just like a pinch of sugar, just for
Right.
this thing. And lemon I add later on. And
Hmm.
sometimes if I want to have tea, I put green tea का एक थोड़ा सा एक चुटकी भर के green tea इसमें डाल देती हूँ. So it becomes
Hmm.
a nice herbal tea with little
Yeah.
lemon and very little sugar. So it turns
Hmm.
out to be very tasty actually and very refreshing, and it is not going to cause any acidity because it is very light. बहुत हल्की
Very
है
nice.
ये.
Yeah.
Yes, and then there is this Ayurvedic kala that the government is also distributing. So in some of the states they are distributing, like MP में Maharashtra में नहीं कर रहे, but I think MP, even Ahmedabad and this Gujarat side, they're distributing this kala. So whoever are taken, it's fine to take a kala. It's not harmful. But you have to
Hmm.
see the quantity and the temperature
Quantity.
also. You have to have it in small quantity and at a normalish temperature, not too hot. So then it's perfectly safe. But 100% आप rely नहीं कर सकते इसके ऊपर. If you get
Hmm.
some symptoms, you please
Right.
take medical help.
Yeah, yeah, true that. So with this, I guess जो अभी हमारे व्यूज देख रहे हैं जो बाद में भी देखेंगे आपका वो काढ़ा रेसिपी तो उन तक पहुंच ही जाएगा. सो वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू शेयर
Certainly.
दिस. सो somebody is asking, ये दूसरी बार पूछ रहे हैं कि आर्सेनिक 30, इन्होंने एल्बम 30 लिखा है. आई गेस इज दी आर्सेनिक 30 और आर्सेनिक एल्बम 30, अर्निका 30 इज द
It's
सेम और?
arsenic album. No, no, no. It is arsenic album 30, which is
ओके.
recommended by the Ministry of Ayush. It has been quite ineffective. And there is one more, like I suggested. Arnica. Arnica, since you are at it, I would like to say Arnica is a first aid remedy. It's a
हाँ.
remedy for bruises, contusions, and if you
Yes.
see, since you all mommies are there,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
if your
We have.
child gets a fall, especially on the head, you give a
Yes.
dose of arnica. It will prevent further bleeding and pain, and the blood that has come down here, extra vessation जो हो जाता है, उसको जल्दी से वो ठीक करेगा. So
What is the
arnica is
dosage
an
of
amazing
arnica 30
remedy.
and
Usually we give it for usually if there's a small fall, we just give one dose, just
uh,
4 pills. The small pills is 4 pills we give. If it's a small injury, if it's a
हाँ.
major injury and there's a lot of bruising or something and there's a lot of pain, we give it for 2 or 3 days depending on the case to case. But it should be there in every household. Arnica. And there
Yes.
is one more thing I would like to suggest. There is one calendula ointment. So
Hmm.
calendula, not only it is an antiseptic, but it has a very soothing effect on the skin. So if there is a small cut or a small burn or some kind of injury, if you apply calendula, it will keep the
हाँ.
wound really clean. It will heal fast. Even in small boils, if the boils are there, we use calendula for dressing it up. So
Okay.
calendula ointment should be there in every first aid box. It's really effective and it is non-irritant. That means अगर आपके बच्चे को लगी है और आप उनको
Hmm.
कुछ और लगा रहे हैं, उन्हें जलन हो रही है, so you can use
Hmm.
calendula because it is not causing any burning sensation. It's very effective.
So Anika 30 so I have. Now you have given me ointment also. I'll have to.
Calendula, yes.
It's calendula. I'll
Please
definitely
buy
take
one
that.
and keep. Yeah, it's really useful. Even I'll tell you one more use of it. It will be very useful to the young mommies. When
Hmm.
you have had your delivery and you have had an episiotomy, so उस area पे आप calendula लगाएंगे, so it will heal very quickly and there will be less discomfort. See, it will take some time to heal. It is not going to heal magically. But with
Hmm.
calendula, you can minimize any complications. I have used myself also. And I recommend to my patients, even C-section का जो scar है, sometimes
हाँ.
people will say that बाद में उसमें itching होती है, कभी pus हो जाता है. Later on, after a few weeks of delivery, you can use on that scar area. It is very, very effective. It prevents all infections and heals really well.
Wow, that's an informative thing. Did not knew this. Thank you for sharing this, Anshita. So there is one more query. Someone is asking, can thyroid be cured completely from root?
Oh, yes. Most of the time, thyroid disease, hypothyroidism, I will talk about first because it's the common most illness. So,
Hmm.
hypothyroidism quickly can be cured. Within less than a year's time, you can just get rid of it, mostly, most of the time.
Hmm.
And the earlier you visit your doctor, homeopathic doctor, the better. If you are seeing a fresh case who has not taken any other medication, fresh case आता है, तो उनको बहुत जल्दी और अच्छे results मिलते हैं. But if the patient is taking some Thyronorm for like 100 mg Thyronorm 10 साल से खा रहे हैं, then certainly the
Hmm.
results are slow and delayed because first we have to taper down the Thyronorm Eltroxin. Then we have to at the same time, we start homeopathy also. So the results are slightly
Hmm.
slow. So for the fresh cases, I would suggest you seek help from a good homeopath, preferably an MD homeopath, so you can get rid of it.
Hmm.
Then coming to the hypothyroidism, which is autoimmune, जिसको हम Hashimoto disease बोलते हैं, thyroiditis वगैरह बोलते हैं, उसमें भी थोड़ा
Hmm.
time लगता है. It may take 1 or 2 years, but it is curable. That is there.
Okay.
Then there is hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is little more difficult than this, but it is not incurable. It is curable. I have had some very amazing cases who have followed with me patiently for a little longer time, maybe 1 or 2 years, and they have got amazing results. They are completely off medication, no medicine. Khatam, case khatam. That way.
Acha, that's nice. That's wonderful to know. So, Rafiq Latur, I guess we have already answered your query. Immunity boost for arsenic album 30 or yes, 30. We have already answered this, right?
Yes.
I want to know, Anshita, there are many moms in my WhatsApp group and they keep on complaining about the allergy their kids have. The allergy is like constant sneezing and it pops
Yes.
up anytime. What is the cure of it and how that little child, I guess 10, 11 years something, वो सेम एलर्जी मॉम को भी है
So
उसे.
yes.
तो
So now if the mother is allergic or any parent is allergic, the child inherits the allergy. On top of that, the environment is also like that. We are exposed to a lot of pollution and a lot of things which should not be there, including pesticides and etc. etc. One more thing that I have observed that in the metro cities, kids are more allergic as compared to the non-metro cities and villages. Even I've seen the kids who are born and brought up and even conceived in the US, America में, उनको food allergies, respiratory allergies हमसे ज़्यादा है relatively. It could be because of various factors, environment, vaccination, etc. So that is one thing. And the treatment wise, we give a constitutional treatment. Constitutional treatment का मतलब क्या होता है मैं बताती हूँ आपको. Basically, we take a detailed history, like आपके symptoms क्या हैं, आपका physical generals क्या है, आपका भूख कैसी है, प्यास कैसी है, emotions, body functions basically, family history, and इसके अलावा आपका mental state कैसा है, कैसा स्वभाव है, इन सबको नजर में रखते हुए we create a case history and उसके basis पे we prescribe a medicine. So this requires a lot of details from the parents. मतलब personally, when I take a case online, I have a lengthy form that the mothers will fill up very happily. They will send it to me, and then further we take it from there.
I guess
And
I
if the patient
suggested
is
not
coming,
your name because she wanted to come for this live. She's not able to for some reasons. So I just recall the query she was asking me just 2 days ago. Okay, I have this allergy problem. My child also have. Okay, somebody's
they
asking.
can certainly consult homeopath.
Okay, Shweta
Psoriasis,
is
yes.
asking how effective is homeopathic for diabetic patients who are taking medicine since long time? Can they completely switch to
Yeah.
homeopathy?
Yes, in some cases, they can completely switch to homeopathy and maintain their sugar levels for life. But in all cases, it's not possible. Sometimes the pancreas are so damaged that this is type 2 है. Type 2 में हमारे काफी promising results हैं. अच्छे
Hmm.
results हैं. Amazing. Along with, we tell the diet also, we do everything. सब diet, exercise, medicine सब कुछ करते हैं. Allopathy धीरे धीरे कम करवा देते हैं slowly. We taper down. Type 1 में इतने अच्छे results नहीं है.
Okay.
और जेस्टेशनल में भी हम लोग मेडिसिन देते हैं दे वी हैव गुड रिजल्ट्स विद दैट टाइप 1 इज द ओनली थिंग व्हिच इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज उसका कोई ऐसे बहुत बड़ा इलाज नहीं है although I
Hmm.
have seen some cases with my senior colleagues that they say that they have cured the type 1 also. So the results are there. I think one should honestly consult and see, and every body is different. Some people respond very well, some people don't
Hmm.
respond. It's very individual. So I think it is worth a shot to take a treatment and observe for a few months. It's not a long time, just a few months. If you're getting good
Okay.
results, you continue with that. Same thing we tell for hair. If somebody is coming to us, if somebody is 35 years old, male, particularly male, I would say, और अभी गंजापन है सो वी से यू गिव टेक इट फॉर 3 मंथ्स अगर आ रहे हैं बाल तो आप लो दवा अगर नहीं ही आ रहे हैं देन यू डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम एंड एनर्जी
Yeah,
बिकॉज वो
right.
जेनेटिक भी होता है सो आई ट्राई टू बी एज ट्रांसपेरेंट एज आई कैन
Right. So I will come to this gestational diabetes once again, but there is one query. Rushi is asking, and she's asking third time now, so I should pick this query. She's asking, does the
Yes.
smell and taste stop during corona in this start itself?
Yes, yes, it is a symptom of COVID. This symptom may come in the beginning of COVID also. This symptom may even persist for a long time. Some people have said that even that loss of smell and taste may persist for some time. थोड़े दिनों तक नहीं आया वो वापस, थोड़े दिन बाद आया. It took like a week or so or even 10 days. So this is a symptom of corona. लेकिन जिनको allergic rhinitis है, already they have chronic allergies and they have
Hmm.
been putting a lot of Otrivin drops and all that. तो आपके जो म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन है नोज के अंदर की जो लेयर्स है वो श्रिंक हो जाती है एंड
Oh.
देन दे मे लूज द टेस्ट ऑफ दिस टेस्ट एंड स्मेल चला जाता है उनका तो एलर्जिक
Hmm.
पेशेंट्स को भी ऐसा होता है बट इफ दैट इज हैपनिंग दे विल नो इट बिफोर हैंड उनको पहले से पता होता है कि वी आर एलर्जिक वी नो हाँ
Hmm.
एंड इफ यू आर इन डाउट बेस्ट टू कंसल्ट द डॉक्टर डोंट कीप एनी डाउट्स इन माइंड ऑलवेज चेक विद द डॉक्टर
So that. And let's talk about the diabetes which comes during pregnancy, gestational diabetes.
यस
What is the cure? And tell me, is it possible that this diabetes will come back again even after the child is 3, 4 years, 5 years?
Yeah, I'll come to that. So first, let me talk about that if it is coming back or not. So most of the time, what I've seen that a lot of women have PCOD, and
Hmm.
PCOD females, and even slightly obese females, they tend to get gestational diabetes a lot. But
Hmm.
fortunately, it does not last for long. Once the baby is out, usually the sugar levels will come down. Same happens with thyroid also. If you have it during pregnancy, only it will come down after your delivery, mostly. In some cases, it may not come down. You have to monitor it. You have to closely monitor it and even control your diet at the same time.
Hmm.
And if it is not coming down and then you need treatment, so I would suggest that you take a proper treatment from a good homeopath because that
Hmm.
will be safer while you are breastfeeding, right? So
Hmm.
safety wise, it is better. And then sometimes
It
it may
can
be
come
high
back
for some
anytime.
time, couple of months. Ha, it can come back. If you have a genetic history and if you have had gestational diabetes, there is a possibility it may come back in 10 years, 15 years. You never know. You cannot predict that. Although mostly what I have seen around me, that it does not come back so easily. And ha,
Hmm.
if you have a PCOS, PCOS is a severe form of PCOD actually. It's more chronic and severe form. So
Hmm.
those females do get this gestational diabetes and diabetes after the delivery also. So they are at risk somewhat, but it is
Okay.
not incurable. Hmm.
Okay. I guess the queries whichever I'm asking you all are curable because you're answering so much in details, and my viewers and the members who are going to watch this video, it's a good thing that we are discussing everything related to them, and they can always come back to you. So Sheba's asking one question.
Correct. Hmm.
If you can see,
Uh,
can you see Sheba's query?
Plantar fasciitis. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Plantar fasciitis, nahi, plantar psoriasis, I think she asked. Yes, psoriasis is mostly curable with homeopathy. Only those psoriasis, those forms of psoriasis जो बहुत ज़्यादा severe है, full body covered है, या बहुत पुराना है, patient ने बहुत ज़्यादा steroids खाए हैं, वो cure नहीं होता है, वो सिर्फ manage होता है. बट
Hmm.
प्लांटर सोरियासिस पामो प्लांटर सोरियासिस जो सिर्फ हाथों और पैरों पे है या स्कैल्प सोरियासिस जो एक ही जगह पे लोकलाइज्ड है which means it is slightly milder form it is completely curable milder forms are completely curable only problem is long term तक steroid लेने के बाद जो patient आते हैं ना तो उनका
Hmm.
सिस्टम थोड़ा कम रिस्पॉन्ड करता है so we kind of struggle with those patients although we do offer treatment recently I just दो दिन पहले there was this one lady she had severe psoriasis and to the point that her joints had become deformed. Joints टेढ़े मेढ़े से हो जाते हैं. They become deformed. So
Hmm.
she came in that stage. Unfortunately, she was old also. She was around 70s, early 70s. But
Hmm.
still, we were able to give her some medication for pain relief, to reduce her misery, and just to maintain her life smoothly as long as she lives. So even in the late stage, we offer treatments, but we cannot say it will be cured. We can just manage it. We can just make you comfortable.
That that is one thing I guess everybody would look for, even if it's not back in the shape
Certainly,
at least.
certainly,
Okay.
certainly.
Pooja is asking, can I switch to homeopathy for immunity deworming and all for my daughter? She will be turning 5 soon and have never taken homeopathic medicine earlier.
Certainly, as early you start, it's good for your child. And the best part is kids tolerate and like homeopathy better because there
Hmm.
are no syrups, there are only sweet pills, there are tiny pills, so they love to have those pills, and there is no struggle. अभी होता है ना, I remember my elder son, so he used to get fevers quite often. तो उस जमाने में जब भी हम लोग कभी कभी उसको क्रोसिन वगैरह देते थे, so it
Hmm.
was such a struggle ना, so I just feel for the patients now कि वो ऐसे पकड़ के जबरदस्ती आप डाल रहे हो, it is like so horrible. So I think that is one aspect to it.
Homeopathy
And the
actually, I guess,
other,
loved by all the children. I guess whoever wants to
yes,
have.
yes,
So I'm
certainly,
sorry, I need to intervene you
certainly.
again.
And yes, they love. In fact, sometimes we have to hide medicines from them क्योंकि वो पूरा खाना चाहते हैं. So we have to hide it. We tell the patients कि एक आप खेलने के लिए एक डब्बी ले जाओ और एक जो मेन मेडिसिन है वो कहीं छुपा के रखो because your kids will attack because it is so young. So that is a problem. But then they tolerate well. और एक पर्सनल रीजन मैं आपको बताती हूँ होम्योपैथी जो मैं बच्चों के लिए रिकमेंड करती हूँ जिस वजह से. तो पर्सनल
Hmm.
रीजन ये है कि किड्स रिस्पॉन्ड सो क्विकली, इतनी जल्दी वो रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं ना कि हमें उन्हें होम्योपैथी देने में और वो रिजल्ट जब हमें मिलते हैं और वो जो प्रेज हमें मिलता है ना, तो दैट इज
क्योंकि वो
अमेजिंग.
एलोपैथी में जब अगर मम्मा तोड़ के भी देती है पानी में मिला के या वैसे ही खिलाकर क्रोसिन हाफ भी देनी है, चाहे बच्चा 7-8 साल का भी हो चुका है, तो इट्स नॉट देयर कप ऑफ टी, बिकॉज वो जो
डिफिकल्ट,
दवाई
यस,
वो नहीं
डिफिकल्ट.
जाएगी अंदर.
The taste and smell that is there. And honestly, it is not about homeopathy versus allopathy also, but they like it. They like taking it. There is no struggle involved. और
या
हमें भी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है, मतलब we are happy to treat kids because हमें जल्दी रिजल्ट मिलता है ना, तो हमारे लिए अच्छा ही है ना, हमारा नाम होता है. And when we are treating older patients, the results are slightly slow. So then, as compared to that, we like to treat kids, no? जल्दी रिजल्ट मिल गया तो
you
we are
love your
happy.
job too much, I can see that, and I'm super proud to have you. So Navita is
I love
asking,
my job.
kindly confirm, can we treat autoimmune disease through homeopathy? How much time it will take to recover if someone has autoimmune disease? I am not aware
So ये
about this.
एक्चुअली ये बहुत थोड़ा वेग क्वेश्चन है. बट येस, ऑटोइम्यून डिजीज का ट्रीटमेंट होम्योपैथी में सर्टेनली होता है. राइट नाउ आई एम ट्रीटिंग कपल ऑफ पेशेंट्स हु हैव रूमेटिक आर्थराइटिस, रूमेटाइड आर्थराइटिस. We have psoriasis is always there. Then there is Hashimoto, I mentioned, the thyroid, this thing, hypothyroidism. And then there is this myasthenia gravis. So ये सारी जो चीजें हैं जो ऑटोइम्यून है, एमएस है, ये सब चीजें हम ट्रीट करते हैं. Only thing
Hmm.
is the treatment takes longer duration. It is a lengthy treatment. Although the patients start feeling better when we start, but it's a longer treatment because unfortunately, most of the time when patients are coming with autoimmunity, there is a long history of medication drugging. There is a long history of stress also that you are struggling for with this disease for like maybe 20 years, 10 years. Then there is
Hmm.
always a history of major stresses,
Hmm.
all sorts of stresses, emotional stress है, घर में problems है, parents के साथ problems हैं, parents were divorced, etc., etc. So many problems they carry, and that's why the autoimmunity develops. आपके अंदर antibodies जो आपके अंदर बने, खुद के against antibody बने, वो तभी बनते हैं when there is some emotional trauma that you have faced in childhood or early years. This is what happens typically. So we have to deal with a lot, but it is not incurable. It's curable.
I have just missed a query from Deepti. I'm just scrolling it, and she has asked something related to eye correction. Is there any cure in homeopathy for eye correction, if I'm not mistaken?
Okay, this is a little vague question, but I will try to answer that.
Any
If she's talking
homeopathy for
about
eye correction for minor numbers? Yes, she has asked this.
minor numbers, yeah, honestly, I have not seen much good results in correcting eye numbers because it depends on the shape of eye and curvature and so many factors and screen time, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. So I have not seen any good results in correcting it completely, honestly.
Hmm.
But I have seen one thing that I would like to say. Whenever the uh, kids are getting these myopia and all that, the parents will come to us. एंड टिपिकली मैंने देखा है जो एलर्जिक बच्चे होते हैं जिनको अस्थमा एलर्जीज ये सब है उनको चश्मा जल्दी लगता है. दिस इज माय जनरल ऑब्जर्वेशन, आई वुड से.
अच्छा.
Maybe they are slightly weaker than others, probably. So
Hmm.
what happens is the parents will come and say कि इसका नंबर और बढ़ना नहीं चाहिए, तो उसके
Hmm.
लिए आप कुछ दे दो. So I have
Hmm.
used homeopathy for that concern, and I have seen some good results, not 100%, but some good results in
Hmm.
managing that myopia. It is not getting worse. It is kind of stable-ish. Even my own son, my elder son, who used to be very allergic, he got myopia at around he was when he was 6, 7, I think. So I gave him some medicines, and I see that the number is almost stable. And I've tried in some kids, but it cannot correct completely. It cannot just reverse it. Reverse नहीं होता है.
Okay, so Deepti saying yes, my son has allergy. Right, I guess. Okay. Roshi is asking, homeopathy medicines have expiry date or no?
हाँ, there is no date as such, but we have to see the condition. ये
Okay.
जो pills होते हैं ना, these globules pills, I don't know if you can see that clearly. So they are made up of sugar. ये sugar से बनते हैं. So if you store it well, you can store up to 2 years. I have myself stored it up to 2 years. It also depends on the weather conditions. If we are in Pune and if it is monsoon, तो ये sticky हो जाता है. So then that is a spoilage. So we have to just throw it away. And sometimes it will become, normally it is white, so it becomes yellowish,
Okay.
brownish, even blackish. So then it is spoiled completely. But if it looks fresh, then it is perfectly fine to consume it. For example, I have told you to keep arnica in the house. Now you have purchased arnica in 2020, and something happens after 2 years. And if you check, if it looks fine, just consume it. There is no problem. It is
Okay.
effective. It is as effective as it was.
It's supposed to be
Then
kept
there
in
is the dilution.
Arnica?
Clean place, dry. It has to be kept in a dry place basically with the cap tightly closed. If you close this cap tightly, air will not enter and spoilage will not occur. Then there are these dilutions that we use. This is the main medicine actually. ये तो सिर्फ administer करने के लिए है. ये main medicine है. तो it is preserved in alcohol. इसके expiry date लिखते हैं by law. We are supposed to write it, but usually it does not expire. हाँ, it can evaporate in few years time. For example, आपने 2-3 साल रखा तो क्योंकि अल्कोहल है धीरे धीरे evaporate हो जाएगा. Expire लेकिन नहीं होता है. Spoilage is not there.
So, Navita asked you about this autoimmune disease. She is saying that he has the history of semi-paralysis on right side.
Okay. I can only comment after seeing the case files and further details and what the diagnosis is, age of the patient, and such factors. I think she can connect to me later on, and then we can take it further if she
I'll
wants
pass on
to.
your numbers definitely. Navita, I'll give you all the details so that you can connect Dr. Anshita and Sheba also want to
Yeah.
connect with you later. So I'll give you contact details to them.
Yeah, and then mostly we have a resource of good homeopathic doctors from all the cities. So if somebody wants to consult in their own city, we can provide contact details also because usually we have colleagues and classmates and numbers of good doctors. We can give references always.
Right. But anyways, you're giving online consultation as well, right?
Yes, we do. Yeah, recently we have started because now it is completely legal to do so. So we are providing proper online consultations legally now. Earlier it was not that legal. We were supposed to, बहुत emergency की बात अलग होती है या non patient की help कर दी ठीक है that's okay. But now it is legal, so we are doing it. And although थोड़ा सा problem आती है because when you meet a patient in person, you can connect with them better. And it's always the advice, guidance, the understanding the emotion of the patient. It's always better. So one-on-one is the best way to do this thing. But yes,
जब
for
तक
people who are living overseas,
and Corona जाए तब तक के लिए I guess it's better to
yes,
reach some
yes,
experts so that they can get better guidance.
हाँ, certainly, certainly. I think it's always best to start early. जितना जल्दी start कर दें उतना better.
So now Kitty is asking, can you guide something for irregular periods?
Yeah, unfortunately, the only drawback homeopathy has that we cannot prescribe on a single symptom. We need to have a history and lot of details about the patient. For example, PCOD है या thyroid disorder है या stress की वजह से हुआ है. There are so many things. So that is the only drawback homeopathy has, that we have to have a detailed history and lot of information from the patient before prescribing. So I would suggest her to meet a good homeopathic doctor in her own city, or if she wants to consult on it, that's also fine. But this is not how we can prescribe. So we have to have this whole detail.
That question I always get in the groups and moms keep on discussing with each other, so I keep on reading this. हर घर में वो बात करते हैं कि हमारे डॉक्टर ने हमें एक किट दिया हुआ है जिसमें कि सर्दी खांसी बुखार का हमारे पास में डोज रहता है.
कॉमन
तो
मेडिसिन है, यस वो हम करते हैं,
हाँ,
दैट वी
कॉमन
डू।
मेडिसिन तो उनका भी सेम रहता है, लाइक नो एक्सपायरी एंड लुक एट द कंडीशन, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग बच्चे को डोसेज कभी भी दिया जा सकता है, या फिर हर बार देने के पहले आपको
यस,
पूछना हो?
मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो हमारे नोन केसेस है, लाइक जो हमारे
हम्म।
नोन केसेस है जिनका हिस्ट्री हमारे पास पूरा मालूम है, हमें पता है कि इस बच्चे को
हम्म।
बेलाडोना सूट करती है, इस बच्चे को हिपार सेल्फ सूट करती है, सो वी हैव अ मेंटल पिक्चर एंड वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट। सो व्हाट वी डू इज, इवन आई डू दैट, कि मैं वो जो
हम्म।
कॉमन मेडिसिन के छोटे से पैक्स पेशेंट्स को दे देती हूँ कि आप हमेशा
ओके।
घर में थोड़ा सा स्टोर करके रखो। इनफैक्ट आपने मेडिसिन ले लिया है, थोड़ी सी बच गई है, जस्ट स्टोर इट, आप रख दो उसको। तो उसका
ओके।
फायदा क्या है कि अभी इमरजेंसी एंड टिपिकली किड्स विल फॉल सिक एट नाइट, दिन भर अच्छे रहेंगे, रात को ही बीमार पड़ते हैं, दिस इज टिपिकल। सो एट नाइट इफ यू नीड समथिंग, एटलीस्ट गिव वन डोज, आपकी रात निकल जाए और सुबह यू डिसाइड इफ यू वांट टू गो टू द डॉक्टर इन पर्सन, या if
या
it's a minor issue, it is already you have gotten rid of it, and meanwhile you can connect with the doctor on phone also. सो थोड़ा सा मेडिसिन घर में रखना काफी फायदेमंद है। और कभी कभी कॉमन मेडिसिन से एक दूसरे के काम, जैसे बायोकेमिक है, टिपिकली बायो मेडिसिन कैन बी इंटरचेंज, जैसे आपको एसिडिटी हुई आपने ली तो मैं भी ले सकती हूँ, थोड़ा सा उनमें एक कॉमन फैक्टर्स होते हैं, सो वी कैन जस्ट यूज दैट फॉर अ वाइल, एक दो डोज लेने में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
okay. And now Rupa is asking, I have a query. After my period, I feel odor, and it's since 2 months. Can you guide on this? You want to see the case? You want to know the case?
यस यस यस, एक वो हम कर लेंगे, आई वुड लाइक टू डू दैट, बट एक जनरल गाइडेंस मैं दे देती हूँ थोड़ा सा इसमें। मोस्टली होता क्या है कि वी आर यूज टू यूजिंग दोज विस्पर एंड दीज थिंग्स, राइट?
Mm-hmm.
So
Right.
that's all plastic. So I have observed that there is a typical smell that starts coming from the areas. पैड में से
Mm-hmm.
भी स्मेल, पैंटीज में से स्मेल, बॉडी में से भी एक टिपिकल ओडर आने लगती है। दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द पैड यूज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम। Plus,
Mm-hmm.
in addition to this, I've seen that a lot of women say that there is a itching and irritation in the vulval area after the menses, typically after the menses. So it is because of the pad. So if you switch to a different brand, for example, cotton pads होते हैं, Sophie, Bella, then there are these हमारे cloth pads आ गए हैं, और सबसे best I would say is menstrual cup, and I'm a cup user. I cup worted cup about like 1.5 year back, and I'm so happy with it. It's such a amazing thing. तो अगर थोड़ा चेंज करेंगे इस चीज में, प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने में, तो आई एम श्योर दिस
So,
प्रॉब्लम माइट बी सॉल्व। एक एक महीना ट्राई कर लो।
since you're suggesting on these pads, do you suggest how quickly they should change their pads so that this odor can be
यस, एक्चुअली ना, अगर कई बार तो देखा है मैंने कि अगर फ्लो ज्यादा है तो
Hmm.
एक आधा घंटे में ही स्मेल आने लगती है, सो बेटर टू चेंज द ब्रांड फर्स्ट। सो कॉटन पैड्स यूज करना है, और जो इनिशियल डेज है जब फ्लो ज्यादा होता है ना,
Hmm.
तो 4 आवर्स में चेंज करना पड़ता है किसी किसी को। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सम वुमेन हैव लॉट ऑफ फ्लो, दे हैव टू चेंज इन 4 आवर्स। सम विल हैव लाइक अ मीडियम फ्लो, तो 6-7 आवर्स निकाल लेते हैं, और कहीं कहीं बहुत कम है तो दे विल स्ट्रेच फॉर 12 आवर्स, बट 12 आवर्स आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट फॉर पैड्स, क्योंकि उतने
Hmm.
में क्या वो सब इट बिकम्स लाइक वेरी स्टिकी टू योर स्किन। सो वो
Hmm.
लगातार इरिटेशन होने से इचिंग इचिंग सब हो जाती है, इट्स रियली बैड, एंड दे एंड अप टेकिंग एंटी फंगल ट्रीटमेंट, ये ट्रीटमेंट वो ट्रीटमेंट।
Yeah.
सो
So
जस्ट
I was
यस,
going to read this query only where somebody is asking for suggest something for fungal infection in the inner thigh.
या पहली चीज आप पैड्स चेंज करो, एंड आई विल शेयर अ ब्लॉग लिंक अबाउट दैट। एक्चुअली मैंने एक इंटीमेट एरिया हाइजीन के बारे में एक पूरा ब्लॉग लिखा हुआ है, सो
Hmm.
वो बहुत बहुत यूजफुल है, एंड इट इज वेरी लाइट, so much liked by women that I cannot tell you. I'll share that link once, so
Yes.
they can benefit from it. उसमें सारी चीजें दी हुई है about the hygiene thing and hair trimming, ये वो, even cups, so they can go through that. इसके अलावा अगर बहुत ज्यादा इंटेंस एक्सटेंसिव है, बहुत सारा एरिया अफेक्टेड है, लाइक लार्ज एरियाज आर अफेक्टेड, स्किन हैज बिकम ब्लैकिश और समथिंग, या बहुत रेड रेड ऐसे सर्कल्स बन गए, टिपिकली फंगल में रेड सर्कल्स बन जाते हैं, है ना, टीनिया इन्फेक्शन जिसको बोलते हैं। सो देन दे हैव टू टेक मेडिकेशन, दवाई लेनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है, अलॉन्ग विद द अदर थिंग्स यू हैव टू टेक मेडिसिन ऑल्सो।
So do you have any medicines in homeopathy if they have too much flow? Because I have seen these queries also in the group कि flow इतना ज़्यादा है कि वो कम ही नहीं हो रहा है. So do you have
We
query?
have medicines. Yes, yes, we have
You
medicines
have
for
in
that, and
homeopathy.
typically, yes, there are very good medicines for that thing actually. And even we have to diagnose the condition first कि क्यों हो रहा है. Sometimes there is a fibroid in the uterus. Typically, आजकल हम देखते हैं कि even the young girls, like 26, 27-year-old young girls are having fibroids in the uterus, which is very surprising for me. 15 साल मुझे भी प्रैक्टिस में हो गए हैं. Earlier we used to see women of 40 years, 40s में. अभी हम
Hmm.
27 में देख रहे हैं. It is really shocking. सो फाइब्रॉइड्स आर द टॉप कॉज. इसके अलावा एंडोमेट्रियोसिस है. पीसीओडी वालों को भी ऐसा होता है क्योंकि लेट आते हैं तो हैवी होते हैं. सो इफ दे आर
हाँ.
रेगुलर दे विल बी नॉट दैट हैवी, बट इफ दे आर लेट देन दे आर हैवी. So you treat the underlying cause first, and sometimes if the cause is not there, now this is the beauty of homeopathy. कई बार हमें cause पता नहीं पड़ता है तो हम symptoms के हिसाब से treatment देते हैं क्योंकि कई बार cause नहीं पता पड़ता है. Sometimes some things are like just unknown. So accordingly आप तो medicine, at least we have that much of this thing.
So what we'll do is whenever we are going to post this video in our group in the Facebook community, I would tag you so that you can share the related blogs in the comments and moms can go through
Certainly,
with it. So before we today
certainly,
wind up the session, I have just quick query. Oh, we have got one more query. Let's answer this also first. She says, I too got fibroids at 27.
oh, too bad.
Who,
Some
the
may
one
need
who
surgery
asked about
also.
irregular
Yeah,
periods, she's saying for this. Because this was a discussion
unfortunately,
again 2 days ago in my group about the fibroids. They were
yes,
discussing.
unfortunately.
So my
Fibroids are
last,
typically painful also. Yes,
yeah. So my last query,
sorry.
Anshita, I wanted to know there is a myth. I want to confirm is it true or false that homeopathy takes a lot of time, and that is the one major reason that people do not want to go for it. How true or
I'm
false?
glad you asked this. I'm so glad you asked this. So, no, treatment का duration जो है, वो disease के total duration पे depend करता है. Like,
Okay.
for example, if you have a cold from 1 or 2 days, right?
Hmm.
So मैं
Hmm.
आपको 2 या 3 दिन की ही दवा दूंगी, 2 3 दिन में वो ठीक हो जाएगा. Because it was a short disease. अभी आया था, अभी ठीक हो गया. लेकिन
हाँ.
अगर आपको suppose you have psoriasis for some 5 years, so your
Hmm.
treatment may go on for like 1 or 2 years maybe. So जितना
Hmm.
पुराना बीमारी है उतना लंबा ट्रीटमेंट है, जितना नया
Right.
बीमारी है उतना. So it depends on the disease. It is not depending on homeopathy. It is depending on your disease and how
Right.
late you are seeking homeopathy. For
Right.
example, abhi there was this. I don't know if you have time. I'm taking a lot of time.
No, that's
So
fine.
there was this one case. She was having some fever for some 3 weeks, and she had already taken 2 courses of antibiotics already.
Okay.
And immediately, and she was not having any clear symptoms, just mild fever. Every day she was having with little chills, little very mild chills. And it was not
Hmm.
COVID. COVID test was already done. Other things were normal. So
Hmm.
I told her to immediately check for urine test and urine culture because lot of women have chronic urine infections, recurring
Hmm.
urine infections they get. And symptoms क्या है? कुछ symptom नहीं है. हल्की सी ठंड लगती है और हल्की सी जलन होती है. It's very vague. So what happened is अभी 15-20 दिन 3 हफ्ता तो ऐसे ही निकल गए. फिर
Hmm.
कल्चर की रिपोर्ट आई. I started my medicine. It took another 5-7 days. तो total
Hmm.
duration of treatment जो है वो बढ़ गया because the
Hmm.
delay was from the patient side. आपने 2-3 हफ्ता ऐसे ही निकाला. If she had come to me from the day one, I could have given from the day one or probably day two after the culture report.
True
So
that.
it all depends on the patients. And second point is patient का response कैसा है.
Hmm.
Like I was telling earlier, बच्चे जल्दी रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं. आपने दवा दी और शाम तक बढ़िया, अरे खेल रहे हैं, so
Hmm.
much fun. Moms are happy, अरे they are playing और खाना भी खा लिया, अरे बढ़िया हो गए. लेकिन adult patient है, geriatric patient है, diabetics है, they take more time to respond. उनके responses थोड़े slow होते हैं. It will take more time, है ना? So again, depends on the case, disease and individual response also. So homeopathy slow नहीं है. Actually, it depends on all the factors
That's
involved.
true that. So also I want to say that if we're talking about this corona, is it more the fear than the fear in the mind than the actual disease is in the body, right?
Um, yes. Actually, honestly, there is a lot of
You just
imbalance.
said in the start that you have been treating the corona patients since January also, and तब mask नहीं थे, इतना ज़्यादा हल्ला गुल्ला भी नहीं था हर चीज को लेकर.
No
So
sanitizer.
nothing. So this clear me that yes, definitely disease is there, but that fear in the mind is,
More
working
than the
faster
disease.
than that.
Yes, you're right. In fact, बहुत अजीब सी बात है मैंने एक देखी है. There is lot of irony here. एक तो वो लोग हैं जो बहुत डरे हुए हैं, एक्सट्रीम, और उनके
Yes.
आसपास कोई ना केस आ ही जाता है, बिकॉज दे आर सो स्कैर्ड एंड दे विल समथिंग विल हैपन टू देम और देयर फैमिली। एक तो ऑलरेडी डरे
Yeah.
हुए थे, इतना स्ट्रेस, इतना स्ट्रेस। दूसरे वो है जो बिल्कुल बिंदास है, दे आर नॉट वरिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग। हाँ। एंड देन देयर इज दिस थर्ड कैटेगरी जो बीच में है, ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं, माइल्ड सिम्टम्स है, एंड दे आर पैनिकिंग लाइक एनीथिंग।
I guess
ये
Anshika, our
फियर और
session is
पैनिक।
going to end in just saying 15 seconds. So I'll just quickly say thank
यस।
you and take care. Bye bye. Thanks for
थैंक यू।
connecting. For this goes off 8 seconds.
यस।
Take care. I'll connect you
यस।
back once again.
थैंक यू
Love
फॉर